Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use tinkering in Division 2. Tinkering is a crucial system that lets you enhance your favorite gear pieces. Essentially, it brings your existing items up to your current maximum gear score, ensuring your best equipment remains competitive. You'll find the tinkering station conveniently located at the crafting bench within your base of operations, ready for use. To tinker an item, you'll need 1 exotic component and 10 field recon data for each upgrade attempt. These materials are vital for the process. Each successful tinker will incrementally boost your item's gear score, bringing it closer to your current maximum. Remember, exotic components are primarily acquired by deconstructing any exotic items you no longer need. Deciding when to tinker is key for efficiency. It's best to focus on items that are core to your current build and that you intend to keep long-term. The most efficient time to tinker is when your overall gear score is already close to the game's current maximum. Avoid wasting valuable resources on low-level gear you'll quickly replace. To make the most of tinkering, prioritize your most impactful exotic and named items. These often provide unique bonuses that are worth the investment. Always save your exotic components for gear pieces that are truly valuable to your specific playstyle and build. Regularly review your inventory to identify any items that could benefit from a timely upgrade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.